The P0167 code indicates a malfunction in the heater circuit of the heated oxygen sensor on bank 2, sensor 3. This sensor is located downstream from the catalytic converter on the engine bank opposite cylinder 1. Its heater ensures the sensor reaches optimal operating temperature quickly for accurate exhaust gas monitoring. The code means the engine control module isn't seeing the correct current or voltage in this heater circuit. The most noticeable symptom of a P0167 code is an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard. This warning appears when the engine control module detects a problem with the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. You may notice reduced fuel economy, with gas mileage dropping by 5 to 15%. This happens because the engine control module can't optimize the air-fuel mixture without accurate sensor data. Rough idling occurs when the engine runs unevenly at idle, causing vibrations and irregular engine speed. This symptom results from the ECM's inability to maintain proper fuel mixture control. Hesitation during acceleration means the engine may delay or lack responsiveness when accelerating. This happens because the ECM cannot correctly adjust fuel delivery without accurate oxygen sensor readings. The vehicle may fail emissions tests because of higher levels of nitrogen oxides or carbon monoxide. Without proper sensor function, the catalytic converter can't efficiently reduce these pollutants. These symptoms arise because the engine control module cannot properly adjust the air-fuel ratio without accurate readings from the oxygen sensor. The most common causes of a P0167 code include several issues with the oxygen sensor and its related components. The most frequent cause is a faulty O2 sensor itself, accounting for 60 to 70% of cases. Other causes include corroded or worn wiring harnesses that affect the heater circuit. A blown fuse or relay in the heater circuit, typically a 15 to 20 amp fuse, can also trigger this code. ECM software glitches may cause the system to detect a heater circuit malfunction incorrectly. Finally, contamination of the sensor from oil leaks or silicone sealants can prevent proper operation. Start by performing an OBD2 scan to confirm the P0167 code and check for any related codes, such as P0138 for similar Bank 2 issues. Look for related trouble codes that might indicate similar problems on Bank 2. Visually inspect the wiring and connectors leading to the O2 sensor for damage or corrosion. Consult your vehicle's service manual to locate Bank 2 Sensor 3 precisely. To test the O2 sensor heater circuit, start by using a multimeter to measure the heater resistance. A good sensor typically shows 3 to 7 ohms of resistance. Next, check the wiring harness for continuity to identify any breaks or shorts that could cause the circuit to fail. Finally, verify that the heater circuit is receiving 12 volts when the engine is running. If simpler fixes don't resolve the P0167 code, the O2 sensor itself is likely faulty. You'll need to replace it with a new one. Make sure to get the correct sensor type for your vehicle. Bank 2, Sensor 3. Before starting the replacement, disconnect the battery to ensure safety. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions to remove the old sensor and install the new one. Once the sensor is replaced, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0167 code. Road test the vehicle and scan again to confirm the repair. After performing any repairs, clear the P0167 code using an OBD2 scanner to reset the system. Next, road test the vehicle to ensure the check engine light does not reappear during normal driving. Monitor fuel economy and engine performance to confirm the issue is fully resolved. If the code returns, further diagnosis may be necessary, potentially involving the engine control module. Consider consulting a professional mechanic for complex issues.